So join us today as we show you a glimpse of how truly amazing and confident these birds are.
Pogi ka dito kasi nasarap ka. Okay, go ahead.
Let us say welcome on flag racing bird, Buddy. Buddy is our Malukan Cockatoo, significantly Kakatuwa Model Senses. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia and they are the largest among the white cockatoos. Go Buddy. There you go, the show has officially started. A round of applause for Buddy with Trainer Rochelle. Hello everybody and welcome to Manila Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer Mikey. So here's an object that I will hide under one of these three silver cups. So where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or in the middle? Now which side? Left, right, or middle? Okay, so let's put it right here. And now let's call me a psychic bird. Dawson. Dawson is our super-crested cockatoo. Say it again. Kakatuwa galalita. They inhabit in open woodlands and forests all the east coast of Australia. They are very lovebirds and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits, such as durian, papaya, and bukan. And they also love corn. Now guys, do you think that's the last time you need to find the hidden object? If you can do it, Dawson. Okay, go Dawson. And he did it! A round of applause for Dawson with Trainer Sean. Now for our next featured birds are just like any married couple. One of them, meaning they will be partners for lifetime and be romantic, huh? But as any couple will attest, in a relationship, there will always be bad. Meaning Tico and Tika are beautiful girls doing what we want. And today, they will battle out who's the best in basketball game. But before I start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. All the girls will cheer for Rika. Come on girls, let me say Rika, Rika. And all the boys will cheer for Rico. Come on boys, let me say Rico, Rico. All right, we're ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Here comes Rihanna's bird. Follow the goalie by Rico. And another one from Rika. And for the last ball, Rico wins! So Trainer Jerry, what can you say? You guys lose this time.
Hold it. I want another race.
Oh, he wants another race, Trainer Jimmy.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Rika to lose again? This time, I guarantee you that Rika will win. So what race do you have in mind? A water race.
Then what is a ring race?
The first bird to drop 3 rings into the pool, the fastest is the winner. That is a ring race.
So our ring race it shall be. Remember, that boss already have 1 point, so girls, let's cheer louder for Rika to win this time. We'll be doing this again. This time, our ring race. Ready, set, go! Oh, hey, what's happening? Rika picked up the 3 rings in the same time. Hold on the side, and the winner is Rika! A round of applause for Rika. Rika was very good and Trainer Baby. Parts are particularly known to be intelligent perceptive. That's why you can enhance their skills and not get bored. Here's Sassy, your baby Macaw. She's going to show us how intelligent she is by repeating the same path to its correct slot. Just like Sassy, Green Macaws are from South America. They are known to be the gentle giant of the parrot family. It is because They are sent on guidance to the high school Hawks. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name, Ara olifera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the riverbanks. And for the last shape, go Sassy! There you go, that's right. A round of applause for Sassy with Trainer David. Now guys, who loves math? Everyone here is now sufficient, right? Well, this next part of the program will leave most people baffled and maybe even a strangers. Do you think birds can do math? But before we go on mathematical research, I'll be in two numbers between 1 and 15. Any numbers between 1 and 15? Okay, so the first number will be number 7. How about the second number? Okay, so the second number will be number 10. So usually 7 plus 10. Let's see for mathematical research and solve the equation. But before that, Trainer Davey will shuffle the numbers. And I will call him Marvin Bako, Rocky. So Trainer Rochelle, Rocky ready? Okay, go Rocky, solve the equation for us. And Rocky gets the first number, correct! Off to the second number, well, Rocky loves numbers. And he gets 7 plus 10 is equals to 15, which let's get started to call Rocky. So this time, I need an adult volunteer with a 500 peso bill. Anyone? Who will be the luckiest volunteer for today? Just raise your hands up and my trainer will pick one. We need an adult volunteer. Okay, I think we have one already. Please stand to your mom in front and join me. You will not observe birds in our show are mostly parrots. It is because they are intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically kind. And they can remember even the smallest details. Good afternoon, ma'am. What's your name? How about a round of applause for Miss Angela? Stand right here. Facing this way, just extend your left arm just like this. As I put your mind between your fingers. So ma'am, do you have any idea what will happen next? Well, now let's call your mom bird, Buddy. Buddy is a Moluccan cockatoo, scientific name, Kakatua molluscensis. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia and they are the largest among the white cockatoos. So ma'am, are you ready? Better be because here comes Buddy. Come on, Buddy. And Buddy flies over. And he gets the money and flies back. And I think Buddy will donate the money for a donor. So ma'am, before you go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? Yes, well now you know with your money will go a long, long way. We are very, very grateful. Thank you so much. You may now take your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. How about 1,000 pesos bill this time? Just raise your hands up. Hey, ma'am. Are you okay? Okay? Are you sure? That's why you look so sad. We're just kidding. It's a part of the show. Please come down here in front and we will give you your money back. It's just a part of the show. somebody say something before Buddy gives your money back. Buddy wants to give you a kiss. It's okay. All you have to do is offer your cheek and look at the camera. Sweet. One more. How about on your hand, Mom? Just open your palm. Just open your palm and look at the camera. Smile. So, Mom, there is your money. Again, a round of applause for Rocky and Sweet Buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you've met our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another species of bird here at Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey are also known as raptors, hunt and feed by other animals. The term raptors came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to take by force. These birds are characterized by keen vision that allows them to detect prey during flight. And they also have powerful talons and beaks. And here an example of their amazing flying ability. Meet our brownie guys. Here comes Speed! Brownie guys are also known as Halias Corindus, one of 400 species of birds of prey around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including here in the Philippines. And here comes Shadow! They are locally known as Lawi or Manok in Visayas region. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeon as well. Homing pigeon has an innate homing ability, meaning they will generally return to its nest and mate. How about a round of applause for Rocky guys and our homing pigeons? We believe there is hope. We only not try to take care of friends in the sea, but we're also who are in landed as well. Now, who knows the 3 R's? Introduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. So here's our lavender once again. They're going to show us the proper waste disposal. See, if our lucky birds can do it, we believe that so can everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we all hope you enjoyed your show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the efforts, let's take action saving them from extinction or even extinction. Please, let's do all our part in saving the world, because remember, this is the only home we got. So let me present the birds to the trainers that made this show possible. Trainer Rochelle with Chaco.
Are you enjoying the show?
Trainer Gigi with B. And Trainer Derek with Shadow. And again, I'm Trainer Mikey. Thank you and goodbye. By the way, guys, please remain in your seat because we still have a sea lion show. Once again, please remain in your seat and do not cross the yellow line. Thank you. And happy birthday to Miss Angela Henabe. Once again, happy